3603, exit Hotel 3, hold short of runway 15 left, the Mega's departing.
VF5, MiG-16, just airborne off 15 left, is heading into the air show. BJ-18, you guys are just going direct to the center.
Oh, you guys had requested a circle around the tower before we headed south.
Sounds perfect to me. BJ-18, flight 19 down direct to threshold of 6 left and direct city center.
That's Control 422, ready for lift. We're looking for Victor departure, and we've got a request to fly around the terminal and perhaps a cab on the way out to the city center.
Tiger 432 Tower, hello. You can proceed through Victor Papa to Victor for your departure. Lift off to your discretion. The altimeter 3024, the wind 120, 16. Let's go 4021, wind 1106 knots, take runway 15 left. Let's go 4021, contact show radar 1180. Radar 01 with 1406 to 16, take runway 15. Radar is 1, show radar 1180, have fun.
Show radar, many thanks for that.
Split 1, the wind 100 at 9 from hotel, clear takeoff runway 15 left. Pilot 1, contact show on 119 or decimal 2.
Over the show, Pilot 1.
Lake 11, great. You let me know if you want to just do one loop here or how much, whatever time you want. Once you're done, we'll get your roll out to 180 heading and to the lake.
Hog 01, the wind 090, 13 knots, show radar 180, airborne, clear takeoff, runway 15 left, that's hotel.
Target day is 1817, ILS runway 05, back to 170 knots, got the snowbirds in sight.